Alright, we're back. I'm Dishonest Doug.
I'm Sleazy Steve.
Today we're comparing these green and red, white, and blue tanks.
Yep, I got these at the Kaboom stand. I paid full price, 25 cents for this one.
And I got mine at 38th and State. I got 80% off, if you can believe it. But I had to pay $2.27 was market value. Let's see how they perform.
Oh wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Alright, let's see. Oh wait, okay. Whoa!
That's the smoke bomb that got lit off. That's weird.
Is that it?
As you can see, whether 80% off or only a quarter, a good time's had by all at Dishonest Doug's.
And Sleazy Steve's.
Ding!